Terme Olimia is located in the southeast of Slovenia, on the border with Croatia and surrounded by wine-growing hills and the plains of the river Sotla. Legend has it that the local water springs attracted visitors already 400 years ago. From the first wooden pool to organised health tourism, almost half a century has passed, but the essence remains the same: thermal water with its beneficial effects and properties. At Terme Olimia, two high-quality four-star hotels, Wellness Hotel Sotelia, winner of the Plečnik Award, and the Hotel Breza, are provided for delightful stay. They are designed for those who demand the best and want a close relationship with nature. For all those who run away from the hotel atmosphere, Apart Hotel Rosa, Apartment Complex Lipa and Camp Natura are available. Today, Terme Olimia is a popular destination for those who want more than just beneficial effects of water. Wellness at Terme Olimia is becoming a philosophy and a way of life. The guests can feed their body and soul in the wellness center, Termalia. Check if they are maintaining their health in one of the 3 wellness centers that offer a range of baths, massages and other various therapies to ensure a memorable relaxation. The latest acquisition is luxury wellness Orhidelia. The architecture is poetry to the eye and a collage of selected luxury details for the soul. The pools hide a beautiful water world, while the sauna center will warm up the body and heart. The Wellness Orhidelia has qualified into the shortlist of 11 finalists in the category Holiday of the World Architecture Festival 2009. The health center, Center Zdravja Olimia, offers medical knowledge, smiling faces and modern equipment. To strengthen the health, we connect tradition and modern approaches in effective programs. Thermal water brings the power, warmth and energy. It is the basis of all programs that are being developed. Its healing effect is the product of a number of valuable ingredients. Not only that our chefs take care of the excellent offer of food that is being served in selected restaurants, our speciality is undoubtedly the chocolate from Olimia and fine wines offered next to the many culinary specialities. The largest part of the Congress Center Olimia is located in the Hotel Sotelia and is suitable for conferences, consultations, trainings, presentations and social gatherings. All rooms are equipped with the latest audio-video equipment for a top performance of events, which are complemented with exquisite cuisine, organization of trips and pampering at the Wellness Center. A comprehensive and qualitative wellness offer, excellent health programs, water adventures, pampering in the world of saunas and various range of culinary experiences, recreation opportunities, unique water, clean air and peace are making up the mosaic of the renewed life in Terme Olimia. Terme Olimia, which were developed in Podčetrtek, not far from famous Olimia that boasts the title of the most beautiful village in Europe since 2009.